Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Chris here, and I have a really cool Alzapúa Falseta for you por tangos. This is kind of an intermediate level. It's working with triplets, and so let me play it for you, and then we will talk about it, okay? All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it. Now let's talk about this. Hopefully this is not your first lesson with me. If Alzapúa Technique is new to you, contact me, send me an email. Email, that's my preferred method of doing things. It's much easier for me to keep track of. Otherwise, I might lose it amongst all the social media platforms, okay? So email me, please, with questions. Anyway, so if this is your first video watching Alzapúa, I highly recommend you don't start here. You start other places, and I can direct you to those if you email me. So real quick, you want to do what's called supination and pronation of the wrist. That is the prime mover, in my opinion, of Alzapúa. You do not want to do your Alzapúa like this. It's not powerful enough. It doesn't sound flamenco enough to me. People do it. You can do it. You can play super fast that way. But to me, that just doesn't get the essence. Doesn't get the real grit of flamenco. So anyway, again, let me know if you need any of those other materials. Let's get to this. It's a B flat. So 1, 0, 3, 3, 0. But we're going to start without the index finger, okay? We're just doing this melody on the 4th string, and we're doing triplets. So we start on the 4th string. So we pick the 4th string, it rests on the 3rd string, then you go down, up. We're going to play that twice. We play the E twice. No, you don't. You play D, D, E, D. And then we play F, F, E, D. We play E, E, D, E. And you finish that triplet. And then the E stays there. Then you put your 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, okay? And you make a C9. This is a C9, and we have that high open E too. Okay? So that first melody is. And then we're gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down, up with our index finger up. So I want it to be an up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Because that's 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So I want that up of the index to align with that and then the down aligns with the down beat. Okay? So let's go over that one more time. All right, you're going to do the same melody now. We're going to jump down to this low B flat. This is a big stretch. We're going to go B flat, C, B flat, C. If this is a big stretch for you, if it feels strenuous to your hand, overtly strenuous, meaning you feel like it could be injurious, then don't do this here. Put a capo on and bring it up. I want it to be easier for your hand. As you get more experience in this and your hand gets more flexibility, start bringing it down so that you don't have to use the capo, okay? Cool. So we go B flat, C, B flat, C. And then we're gonna go thumb, index, thumb, thumb, up, down, up, okay? Up, down, up with the index finger. And I do a golpe there. And sometimes I'll go up with the thumb first and then down up with the index finger. just depends. So I just didn't want that to confuse you. I have it written out for for you for the music, so just go by the music. But if you feel like you want to go up with that thumb instead of up with the index finger, it's totally cool. All right. So now let's play this all slow at 80 beats per minute. I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll start. Okay. Triplet, triplet. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Good deal. So now let's play it at 112. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Let's play it one more time at 120. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. There you have it. All right. So again, let me know if you have any questions at all. Please email me with those questions. That helps me a lot to keep track of them. Otherwise, you might get lost in the social media madness. All right. Please, while you're at it, subscribe to all my, YouTube stuff and any other the platform, Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. Find me, let me know, but email me questions, please. All right. Enjoy the work, and we'll see you real soon. Ole.